Hi, Rob.Kavanaugh here again with Guarantee RV in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to show you this 2010 Winnebago Outlook 31C. It's 31 feet. It's in great shape. It's got really low miles, 30,000 miles. This is a very affordable motorhome. I'm telling you, it's not going to last. It's lots of space on the inside. It's in really good shape on the outside. Let's go have a look on the inside. This is a high-end Class C motorhome built by Winnebago. You can look at, and it's got lots of options. You can look at the front dash. It's got the optional wood grain panel. Very nice. As mentioned earlier, 30,000 miles on this. It has the cab over bunk here. Look at that, 6 inches of foam. That's unusual. Normally it's around 4 inches. Very, very soft. It's got a built-in integrated TV that swivels with DVD player and radio. And these are not cloth seats. These are leatherette style seats in great shape. There's no tears or anything. Real nice colors. This is a sofa bed. It'll turn into a bed. It's flawless. It's even though it's a 2010, you wouldn't know it. It's still modern, with the colors of dark brown, and there's no wear and tear on it whatsoever. It is very nice. You also have a dinette booth table here, which also breaks down into a bed, and then across is the kitchen dinette area. Look at this cabinetry. It looks flawless, really. Very nice. Counter space, double sinks. Very, very nice. Lots of cabinet space here. You've got the microwave oven, which is also a convection oven, so that saves a lot of space. And then you've got the standard gas burner stove. Also, you got the standard Norcold refrigerator freezer. Very nice. Lots of space. As we move back, you've got your shower with a glass door. That's optional, so that's very nice to have. And as we move back here into the bedroom, you have the bathroom, which also provides privacy for the bedroom, and it's a really large bathroom. That's a very nice feature. And it's got the skylight up above, and which provides a lot of natural light. So here in the bedroom as well, you've got another TV that's integrated, queen size bed, queen size mattress, lots of space. It's a walk around, very nice. You got mirrors and lots of cabinets here. Lots of room. So this is a Class C. A lot of people like the Class C. This is a very affordable motorhome. It's a 2010 Winnebago. Winnebago makes very good products. It's very obvious this motorhome has been well taken care of. It's very affordable. Come on down and have a look. This one is not going to last. My name's Rob.Kavanaugh. My information is here. Come by, have a look at this one or any other motorhome. Have a great day.